Hello everyone, this is Ashley Hubbard, Health and Diet Coach, and today in this video I am going to teach you about the keto diet plan for weight loss. If you find yourself in a conversation about dieting or weight loss, the chances are you'll hear of the ketogenic or the keto diet. This is because the keto diet has become one of the most popular methods worldwide to shed excess weight and improve health. Research has demonstrated that adapting this low-carb, high-fat diet can promote fat loss and even improve certain conditions such as type 2 diabetes and cognitive decline. In this video, I will give you some advice about what to eat and avoid while following a keto diet for weight loss. I am now going to give you some advice about the basics of the ketogenic diet. The keto diet, as a rule, is very low in carbs, high in fat, and moderate in protein. When following a ketogenic diet, carbs are typically reduced to under 50 grams per day. However, there are stricter and looser versions of the diet which do exist. Healthy fats should replace most of your cut carbs and deliver approximately 75% of your total calorie intake. On the ketogenic diet, proteins should account for around 20% of your energy needs, while carbs are usually restricted to around 5%. This carb reduction forces your body to rely on fats for its main energy source instead of glucose, a process known as ketosis. While in ketosis, your body uses ketones, molecules produced in the liver from fats, when glucose is limited, as an alternative fuel source. Although fat is often avoided for its high calorie content, research shows that ketogenic diets are significantly more effective at promoting weight loss than low-fat diets. The ketogenic diet relies on a very low-carb routine. Carbs are typically restricted to under 50 grams per day, replaced mostly with fat and moderate amounts of protein. I will now teach you about the keto diet plan for weight loss. You may find switching over to a ketogenic diet can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be difficult or challenging to do. Your focus should be on reducing carbs while increasing the fat and protein content of meals and snacks that you eat each day. In order to reach and remain in a state of ketosis, you'll need to restrict your intake of carbohydrates. While certain people might only achieve ketosis by eating less than 20 grams of carbs per day, other people may be successful with a much higher carb intake. As a general guideline to follow, the lower your carbohydrate intake, the easier it is to reach and stay in ketosis. This is why sticking to keto-friendly foods and avoiding items rich in carbs is the best way to successfully lose weight on a ketogenic diet. Now, I still have some more tips and advice to give you, so please don't go anywhere. But if you want a complete keto diet plan for weight loss, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you can get access to your custom keto diet plan for weight loss within a few minutes from now. Please click the link in the description box below this video for more information about this program. I will now give you some advice about some keto-friendly foods that you can eat. When you follow a ketogenic diet, your meals and snacks should center around the following foods. Eggs. Pastured organic whole eggs make the best choice. Poultry. This can be chicken and turkey. Fatty fish. Wild caught salmon, herring and mackerel. Meats. This can be grass-fed beef, venison, pork, organ meats and bison. Full-fat dairy. This can be yogurt, butter and cream. Full-fat cheese, which can include cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheese and cream cheese. Nuts and seeds. Macadamia, nuts, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, peanuts and flax seeds. Nut butter. Natural peanut, almond and cashew butters. Healthy fats including coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut butter and sesame oil. Avocados. Whole avocados can be added to almost any meal or snack. Non-starchy vegetables, greens, broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms and peppers. And we have condiments. salt, pepper, vinegar, lemon juice, fresh herbs and spices. I will now give you some tips on what foods you should avoid when following the keto diet. You should try and restrict the following foods when following a ketogenic diet: bread and baked foods, white bread, whole wheat bread, crackers, cookies, donuts and rolls, sweets and sugary foods, sugar, ice cream, candy, maple syrup, agave syrup and coconut sugar, sweetened beverages, soda, juice, sweetened teas and sports drinks, pasta, spaghetti and noodles, grains and grain products, including wheat, rice, oats, breakfast cereals and tortillas, starchy vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, corn, peas and pumpkin, beans and legumes, black beans, chickpeas, lentils and kidney beans, fruits including citrus, grapes, bananas and pineapple, high-carb sauces including barbecue sauce, sugary, salad dressings and dipping sauces, and certain alcoholic beverages including beer and sugary mixed drinks. Although carbs should be restricted, low glycemic fruits such as berries can be enjoyed in limited amounts, as long as you're maintaining a keto-friendly macronutrient range. Be sure to choose healthy food sources and stay away from processed foods and unhealthy fats. The following items should be avoided: unhealthy fats, which include margarine, shortening and vegetable oils such as canola and corn oil. Processed foods, which include fast food, packaged foods and processed meats such as hot dogs and lunch meats. And diet foods. These are foods that contain artificial colours, preservatives and sweeteners. I will now give you some tips about keto-friendly drinks and beverages that you can have when following a keto diet. Sugar can be found in a wide variety of beverages, including juice, soda, iced tea and coffee drinks. While on a ketogenic diet, high-carb drinks should be avoided, just like high-carb foods, to give you the best results. It's no small matter that sugary beverages have also been linked to various health issues, from obesity to an increased risk of diabetes. The good news is that for you, there are many tasty sugar-free options for those on the ketogenic diet. Keto-friendly beverages choices for you include water. Water is the best choice for hydration and should be consumed throughout the day. Sparkling water. Sparkling water can make an excellent soda replacement. Unsweetened coffee. You can try heavy cream to add flavour to your cup of joe. And unsweetened green tea. Green tea is delicious and provides many health benefits. If you want to add some extra flavour to your water, try experimenting with different keto-friendly flavour combinations. For example, you can toss some fresh mint and lemon peel into your water bottle, which can make hydration a breeze. A healthy ketogenic diet should revolve around high-fat, low-carb food choices and restrict highly processed items and unhealthy fats. Keto-friendly beverage options must be sugar-free. Consider water, sparkling water, or unsweetened green tea and coffee. So, if you want a complete keto diet plan for weight loss, click the link below the video where you'll be taken to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. When you are on the website, you will be able to get access to your custom keto diet plan for weight loss within a few minutes from now. Please click the link in the description box below this video for more information about this keto diet plan program. So now, I would like to ask you a quick question. What video topic would you like to see next? You can tell us right now. Just leave a comment below the video. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video, and I'll be more than happy to help you, and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook and make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can subscribe right now by clicking the red button below this video. That way you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us out if you can hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your keto diet plan for weight loss. Have a fantastic day.